Hello everyone, welcome to Nail Art channel. Today I am teaching you cute penguin nail art design step by step guide. This heartwarming manicure is great for the winter time or any time if you love penguins. Step number 1, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish. Paint the tips of all your fingernails except your ring finger nails. Paint your ring fingernails completely with the black nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw an M shape in the middle of your ring fingernail. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail polish, draw a curved line at the bottom of the M shape and fill in the area with white. This will be the penguin's body. Step number 4, using the same tool and nail polish, outline the top of your French tips. Step number 5, using a nail art brush or orange nail polish, make a small dot in the middle of the body for the break. Step number 6, using the same tool and yellow nail polish, place 2 larger dots on the sides of the body by the base of the nail for the penguin's feet. Step number 7, using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish, place a tiny dot on either side of the beak of the eyes. Step number 8, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like today's my video penguin nail art design, please like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.